My name is Carlene. I'm giving my testimony because I have taken on a personal quest to help every woman that I can to avoid irreversible, life-changing surgery by telling my story. Before taking Fibrovan, I experienced horrible monthly menstrual cycles, not from pain, but from uncontrollable bleeding. My cycle was so heavy I would wear 4 super pads for 3 to 4 days, changing them every 2 hours to avoid leaks. I also experienced a headache for the first 3 to 4 days of my cycle because my blood pressure would go as high as 170 over 180. At one point, I had lost so much blood, I had to have a blood transfusion. My cycle would last up to 10 days. I decided to measure my waist and take a picture of what my waist looked like to document my progress. I experienced what I considered a wonderful menstrual cycle, requiring only 2 super pads at a time after using Fibrovan for just 1 month. My headaches decreased and my blood pressure was not as high as before. In addition, my cycle only lasted about 7 days. Believe me, this was a wonderful cycle. By the 2nd month, I had a reasonable normal cycle. I only had to use 1 super pad at a time. I only had a slight headache along with elevated blood pressure the day before my cycle started. It only lasted about 5 days, and my energy level was great. I also noticed my waist was smaller. December 2008 marked 3 months of my use of Fibrovan. I had a completely normal cycle lasting only 5 days and using only 1 regular pad at a time. That's right, 1 regular pad. I experienced no headaches and normal blood pressure during my entire cycle. Again, it was 1 regular pad, no headaches, and no blood pressure during my cycle. I was so amazed that I decided to take another picture to update my progress and to measure my waist. My waist measured 33 inches, down from 36 inches in just 3 months. I'm a normal size 5 to 6, so you can imagine a person with a 36-inch waist, how pregnant they looked. But now it had gone down to 33 inches in just 3 months. I am so grateful for Fibrovan and the fact that it is a natural product. My results have been an answer to a 5-year prayer for God to show me a natural way to dissolve my fibroids and avoid surgery. I have tried other natural products with no results. I am so grateful and thankful that my niece told me about Fibrovan. It is the best money I've ever spent. There is a better way, and it is Fibrovan.